Okay, so welcome to our sewing class. All right, so we're going to be sewing this our rich madam vibes, kaftan with a tight fitted, like a fitted front. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the shoulder first of all. Remember we had our notch marks, to indicate where I will be joining. But before that, also remember I told you that when I marked the waist, our waist measurement, right? I marked it on the right side. I should actually mark it on the wrong side. Okay, now I'm going to create my rope. I may likely use both elastic and rope, but I've cut out a rope. Please just cut out your rope. But anyhow, you know how to shape it. I shaped it, doesn't really matter, nobody will see it, but create something to it. Okay, so I'm going to fold it over like this and I will stitch it. All right, so stitch it close and do same to the other one as well. Okay, so when you do that, push it out to the right side. Use whatever you can to push it out to the right side, and you also do same to the other part. Now basically my rope is done. What we really want to achieve with this rope is to attach it to this the inner part where we marked that waist I showed you divided by 4. Okay, so you can also cut your elastic of that measurement of what you have there and minus about 3 inches from it, depending on how stretchy your elastic. But for the rope, just make sure that this rope you're able to tie it around, not to the front, but because I'm using this camera, I have to show you this way, tie to the back. Okay, so just watch how I'm going to place this rope. I'm centralizing it. Remember, you've made a mark, okay, to show where your waist mark measurement is, so you're going to place your rope on those marks. Try to centralize it, and I'm going to be sewing at 1/2 of an inch. Now if you were using an elastic, you would do the very same thing. So place it and sew it on the other side as well. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Show me some love. And put on that your notification bell icon, so when I upload more videos like this, you'd get to see them. Okay, so please always remember to cut off your threads. It's very important. Don't let your clients have a complaint of this. So what I've done to the other side, you're going to do same. Okay, you can actually go iron this out, give it a good press to make it look neat and nice. All right, so you're going to place it just like I have done to the other side. Try to centralize it, and you're just sewing at 1/2 of an inch. Okay, now see how I placed it to sew. I didn't place it facing outside. I placed the rough edge. You can actually weave yours. Please do weave it or sew it in to give it a proper finish, but it's on the inside though, and then sew it just the way I have and trim off your threads. Okay, so that should be the first project for you. But if you're putting in your elastic, please, that can be last, because it has this tendency to drag your fabric and you wouldn't want that. So you can stitch one side down, and for that elastic too, please, you can use a button with it as well. Okay, so now we're going to join our shoulder. All right, remember we had notch marks, so wherever you're joining, note it and do the joining. I'm going to be joining the part I had kept. This is going to be a bit open. See that notch mark? That is where I'm sewing. This is another place I'm sewing. The other part is open. So I'm going to be doing that now to show you. So whatever your design is, please do same. Okay. Okay, so going to stitch this part. You can also use a bias to turn it if you want it to the front and just have a tiny bitty stitch holding it together. However you want to design your kaftan, like I said, basically the main thing here is just sew a kaftan, and then the creation of the tight front is going to come after. So that's what I'm actually doing now. So I'm stitching it down, and I'm doing same to the other side of the shoulder as well. So do it to your 2 shoulders, so that, and please try and make sure that is a neat job. Okay, so I'm done with that. All right, so cut off your threads, like I said, is very important. All right, so after doing this, I'm going to fold it. Look at that, it's open. Then the middle part also is open. That's the design I have chosen to do. So I'm going to fold this part to give it a neat finish. Like I said, you can use bias to design yours, but I'm just folding. So just watch how I'm folding it. Okay, so fold it over, put it on the sewing machine, make it neat, and you're going to stitch it all the way. So stitch everything, this part to the other side as well, so both ways. So just stitch it and give it that neat finish. So you see what it looks like now. Okay, so cut off the thread and see how this looks. Okay, so I'll just show you in a bit and you see how neat, you know, this looks. So this is it. It's very neat and looking very nice as well. Okay, this is a good look. So like I said, you can as well use your bias if you don't want to fold over like I did, but I mean, look at the finish. It's sweet, isn't it? I'm sure it is. Okay, so next up is going to be our sides. Okay, so we're going to join it at 1 inch really, but is at one. I kept 1 inch, but you can actually join yours at whatever you kept. Okay, so you're just sewing it all the way down. That's what I'm going to do for this side and the other side as well. You see me trimming off my threads. I don't let my threads hang out, so you really need to do that. Okay, so join it all the way down and do same to the other parts also. So that is what I've done here as well. And I like notching. Notch it to release it, because if you don't, because you have a 1 inch allowance, it has a tendency to be draggy on the, you know, when you wear it. So you just put a notch to it and that's it. So we're now going to hem the sleeve around it. So you fold it. I'm just folding a little bit, but it depends on what you kept, you know, and I'm going to sew it at that part round. Now I'm going to do this and do same for the other sleeve. So just turn it and hem it. It's that easy. Making this dress like it's easy, but I'm going to weave this part as well. So please weave before you hem. Okay, so I've done my weaving and I'm going to hem it now. Okay, so I'm folding it like you're seeing. So like I said, do it for this sleeve and neatly, you know, do it for the other sleeves as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe guys, subscribe and show me some love, and I'll keep bringing all these easy things your way. And drop a comment for me in the comment section down below, and I'll be right up, you know, to answer whatever you want me to. Okay, so I'm done with this, and pretty easy. We're almost done. It's so put together. We've already put everything together. So now we're going to be hemming the down part. Okay, so you fold it as you want it. If you kept 1 inch, fold off 1 inch. I'm folding it just a little bit, you know, because like I said, I'm wearing this with a leggings or a jean, so I don't also want it to be too short. So see what I'm doing, and then I'm going to just run these stitches all the way round. It's that easy. It's that easy, ladies. It's that easy. Okay, so I'm taking it all the way around and I'm done. Our kaftan is almost done. Okay, so we have the neckline left, and you can actually knit in your neckline anyhow. Look at our down part looking nice. Give it a good press. The sleeves is ready, so I'm going to be using bias to finish up my neckline, but you can use anything, you know, you want, whatever makes it look pretty for you. You can actually sew that bias and, you know, make it show. Depends on what you're designing, but I'm just turning mine with bias. So I'll start at the right side, sew it, you know, just like I'm doing, and you're going to sew it all around. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now, and I've sewn it all the way around. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it to the inside. All right, but when you're turning it, please turn it properly, that, you know, it is not seen, like that black, you know, I'm using black and I don't want it to be seen, so really turn it inside and then sew it all around. That is all, guys. that is all about this kaftan, and then we're done with the first phase of this. Okay. um when you're done, you're going to take it to the ironing table and just give it a good press. Look at how it's looking nice. It's nice. Okay, so next I'm going to show you on the mannequin what it looks like. Iron it out. Okay. Okay, so see you on the mannequin then. All right, so I wanted to take my time and explain this to you so that, most people tell me, so how did you get the fitted part? You put the rope, what did you do to the rope? No, 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 no. I will show you how it is, everything. All right, so see, we have a loose fit. Have you seen the sleeve? See how open it is? The whole dress is a loose dress. That's what you made, both loose at the front and at the back. And now I'm going to show you why it's going to be fitted at the front. That's why you say, it has an invisible rope. That's it. So this is the invisible thing. Sorry about the noise at the background, all right? So this is the rope. Here, remember we had fixed the rope. So now I'm going to hold the two sides of the rope and try to tie it. But I'm going to show you. So let me lift this up so you can see how this rope is being tied. That way you understand where the fitting comes from. Okay, so when you wear it, you're tying it at your back. Please, ladies, please, guys, tie it at the back for your clients. All right, so I'm actually tying it tied to your desired strength. You want it loose fitted, tied loose fittedly, but it will still give you the very same result. All right, so I'll drop it. Now see, the back is still giving me the that flowy look, that kaftan look. Now ta-da, see the front. All right, so that's it. The front gives you the fitted look. So even the elastic will still give you the same look. All right. This is the beauty of this dress. This is just it about this dress. So now I can actually make the neck look like an off shoulder. So you'd have done that if you wanted to. So pull it to one side as well. So it just gives you that drop shoulder, drop shoulder. Okay. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. And I'm going to be rocking this with my leggings or my jean. Look at, you can pull it to anywhere. That's how it is. And the back still stays as rich looking as it is. Okay, guys, I'm sure you love my outfit, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Show me some love. Show me some love. And for those who have subscribed to my channel, I'm saying thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing this. I really, really, truly appreciate you. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. So do subscribe, like I said. Turn on that notification icon so when I upload more videos like this, you would get to see it. So from my heart, I say love you, and please practice. Like I always say, practice makes perfect. Practice, practice, and practice. And I'll be seeing you in my next class.